Hello students, we will discuss about a poem named Dad and the Cat and the Tree, written by Kit Wright. This is a funny poem which deals with, as the name suggests, with a cat and a dad. In this video, we will just discuss the first two paragraphs of the poem, and before that we will see what is this poem about. So let's begin. This is a funny poem about a man's attempt to rescue a cat that is stuck on a tree. Means a cat is stuck on a tree and the man is fully determined to bring that cat below. And the man is here overconfident. He boasts himself to be a good climber, and he is overconfident that he will be able to climb the tree and he will be able to bring the cat on the ground. One day a cat climbed a tree in a child's garden and could not come down. The child's father considered himself to be an expert climber and offered to rescue the cat. The child's mother was worried her husband would fall off while climbing the tree. The child's father tried climbing up a ladder, but the ladder slipped and he fell into the flower bed. He jumped onto a branch, but the branch broke and he fell again. He got up and dusted himself off and decided to use plan C. Means his plan A, plan B both failed. Now he will try his third plan, that is plan C. Again he climbed onto the garden wall and jumped onto a fork in the tree trunk. Now this time he was able to climb the tree. But what happened? He landed on the cat. The cat yelped and jumped to the ground. Now we can see that finally the man was able to climb the tree. But what happened? He jumped on the cat and the cat it yelped and it itself came into the ground. The cat came down, but the child's father was stuck on the tree. Means now the reverse thing happened. The cat was below and the dad was on the tree. So I hope you enjoyed the poem. So let's see the first 4 paragraphs of the poem. This morning, a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." "Fall?" scoffed Dad. "A climber like me? Child's play this is. You wait and see." He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So the poem says that one morning the cat was stuck in the child's tree. Dad was overconfident and Dad said that, "Right, just leave it to me." The tree was wobbly, the tree was tall, and it's really hard to climb a wobbly and tall tree. But the dad was totally overconfident that he will be able to climb. Mom said, "For goodness sake, don't fall." Means Mom was making him aware that please don't fall. "Fall?" scoffed Dad. Means Dad was thinking, I will fall. I am such a nice climber. Child's play this is. You wait and see. Means for him, climbing the tree is child's play. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So it was his first plan. In the first plan, he brought the ladder. He tried to climb the tree by the ladder, but unfortunately the ladder slipped and he landed in the flower bed. So here is the fourth paragraph of the poem. We will discuss the remaining part in our next video. So before proceeding to the next video, here is some task for you. Some funny task this time. So, task 1. As children, we all have climbed trees and fallen down too. Write and share about some such funny incidents of your childhood. Okay, so you will have to write about any such funny incident. Second task is, by the end of the poem, Dad was still stuck up the tree. Now, using your imagination, create a hilarious situation wherein the dad is trying to come down and the family is trying to help him. So let's see how you can imagine and create funny things. Okay, so wait for the next video and the remaining part of the poem. Till then, goodbye.